Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install iOS 14.6 beta 1 on iPhone and iPad, even on iPhone 6. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, launch Safari browser and search for beta profile and tap on first link. After that, scrolling here, iOS beta profile, iOS 14.6 beta 1, and we have to tap on download profile. Tap again download anyways, and a pop-up window will appear and we have to tap on allow. This website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? Yes, we have to tap on allow. Profile downloaded. Review the profile in setting app if you want to install it. Tap close and go to settings. Profile downloaded. Tap on it. iOS 14 beta software profile. Tap on install. iPhone passcode required. Tap install again. And if you want to restart your iPhone, tap restart. If you don't want, just tap not now and tap done. Now go back to settings and tap general and tap software update, and you have iOS 14.6 developer beta 3.64 GB profile on your iPhone, and tap download and install. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.